Hey guys, this is Kent from Blessed Farm. I'm here today. We're gonna go around the farm a little bit, check out the new animals and the baby ones, the ones growing up, and then we're going inside and I'll show you how we're gonna make a deer pot roast with homemade potatoes and carrots and onions. Hope you all enjoy, and we'll catch y'all here in a little bit. Kitty. Guineas out scratching around, turkeys, roosters and chickens, and here comes the ducklings. Old White Thanksgiving there, he made it through the dog attack. He's doing really well, gaining weight and healing up really good. And as you see, Christmas made it through the holidays also. Put a 3.5, 4 pound venison roast, gonna defrost it. Roast. Potatoes, onions, and carrots, and some celery, and some bouillon that we had made, bone broth. Cook for 3 to 5 hours, really slow. I'll get back with you here in a little bit. There's the roast we're going to put in there. Brown it on both sides. There you are, guys. That's animals around the farm and here in northeast Texas in the winter. And that was our venison pot roast with our homemade, our homegrown potatoes, onions, carrots, and man, it sure was good. I'm out here fat, lame, and lazy, trying to go around so I can kind of burn some of this energy off and not go to sleep. So, hey guys, I appreciate y'all being here. Appreciate y'all watching. You can see us here, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and we'll catch y'all later. Have any suggestions, please put them down below, and I'd love to hear from y'all, and we'll talk to you real soon. Live well, and of course, and always, God bless y'all. See you real soon.